Congratulations on your new string shelf. We will now give you all the tips and tricks you need when installing a string system with floor panels. Let's start with the basics. Always start by mounting the left panel. Temporarily insert 3 shelves to determine the placement of the right panel. Mount the right panel and enjoy placing the shelves according to your taste and style. Now let's dig into the details. Firstly, we recommend 2 people do the installation. The tools you need are a pencil, a Phillips screwdriver, a level, a hammer, and a drill. For a successful installation, make sure the shelf is properly attached to the wall. First, find out what kind of wall you are mounting your shelf onto. If the wall is made of plaster, concrete, or brick, drill a 6mm or 1/4 inch hole and insert the plugs provided, and then fasten with the screws. For solid wood walls, use the screws included. For all other types of walls, consult your local hardware store for advice on suitable fasteners. Make sure the shelf will fit by outlining the dimensions of the shelf on the wall. Look for obstacles like light switches and outlets, and make sure they won't be in the way. Floor panels are attached to the walls with 2 screws, one at the top and one halfway down. Start with the left panel. Place it tight to the wall and make sure it's vertically leveled. Make a mark with a pencil for the middle attachment point. Drill the hole and insert the plug provided. Mount the panel to the wall in the middle hole with a screw, but don't tighten it. Check that the panel is vertically level and make a mark for the upper hole. Drill the upper hole and insert the plug provided. Insert the upper screw and tighten both screws. Now it's time for the right panel. Start by attaching brackets to 3 shelves. Note that all shelves must be installed in the correct orientation. The easiest way to determine this is to place the side of the shelf where the brackets are the furthest apart from the left panel when facing the panel. Have one person hold the second panel and install the 3 shelves, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. Check that all brackets are fully inserted into the shelves and that they are also fully supported by the wire strings. Make marks with a pencil for both the upper and lower attachment point. Remove the shelves and the right panel. Drill the 2 marked holes and insert the plugs provided. Attach the panel with a screw in the upper hole, but don't tighten it. Insert shelves and cabinets, and always start from the top. When all shelves and cabinets are installed, fasten the panel in the lower attachment point and tighten both screws. You have now successfully installed the first section. To install more sections to the right of the current section, repeat from step 4. 6 steps to summarize how to install a floor combination from String System. Step 1. Position the shelf. Step 2. Mount the left panel. Step 3. Mark the right panel. Step 4. Mount the right panel. Step 5. Insert shelves. Step 6. Fasten right panel bottom and tighten all screws. Good luck with your installation.